everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are continuing on our install of our metal roof. So last couple of videos we went and got our roof from Best Buy Metals. Last time we started installing that, and that was this week. I'm kind of breaking it up into two videos here. So today we want to just get the rest of the main panels on. We're not too worried about the trim just yet. But yeah, it's early morning. We are beating the heat. I had a whole crazy thing happen with my alarm not going off this morning, so still trying to get adjusted and everything. We did already get that first part started on the gambrel, so right now we're working on the gambrel trim. And after that, it should just be those top pieces and then finishing off the pieces that we left off for walking around on the roof. Also, I have Chuck here today. Dad's not here again, and it's just been great having Chuck out here because he actually knows how to do this stuff, and I'm still learning, so let's continue on. All right, so we're putting on this gambrel trim now, and we want to make sure these go down nice and straight. So we're gonna do a chalk line and give ourselves a reference line for when we're putting these down. The truth is, our roof isn't perfectly square, so we got to do what we can to correct for that. Chuck, how often is our roofs like?
They're always going to have a bowl and all that.
Always got something going on, right?
Yeah. If you build.
How bad is ours compared to?
No, it ain't bad. It ain't bad, especially for an old barn like this. Nah, it ain't bad at all.
We'll say this is my first time ever doing a roof, so.
Can I just hold it there?
Where
Go
you
up.
Where?
Go up a little bit.
Up.
There you go. All right, hold it there. Let me pull it. Ready?
Okay. Yeah.
Come down.
Chuck pulls that chalk line so tight. The distance from the bottom to the chalk line, is it consistent all the way across?
That all looks good.
I need to get my tape measure. Like 47-ish?
Yeah. Pretty good, looks like.
Look at that.
That's pretty good.
First try. That was pretty good.
Yep, right there.
I guess our building is relatively level if that worked out.
Yep, building's level. Yeah, I might want to leave that part out.
Yeah. I think you'll like it.
Good. Well, I was going to put this first trim on, then we were going to go look at it before we continued.
Okay.
Ready?
You did.
Go up through the hair.
How we do?
Good?
Good?
Stay this level. You?
Look at that. I don't know how he does it.
It's that one eye.
Oh, whoa. Look at that. So before we move too much further, we're going to go ahead and finish off this side right here. We had left it off so that we can easily get up and down, but we decided we're just gonna finish the side and use the other side to get up on the roof. So this is, well, I guess this is the second to last time we'll have to deal with one of these big pieces. They're very heavy, and so I'm glad to be done with them. So we'll have to cut this one into a strip because it's only gonna take like half of a panel to get there. And then when we put the trim on, it's gonna cover up that cut. We got our gambrel trim put up and took a little bit to get it nice and straight, but it looks so good. Adding that piece is just making it all come together. And so now we're about to put on the first piece up top, and then we just have to repeat that same thing for the other side. It's really cool how fast it's changing, and it's looking good. When that trim goes on, it just looks so incredible. It just brings it all together. It looks so good. So we're down to the final row of panels now. Do that, put on the ridge cap, and we're gonna get to check out what it looks like. I think it's gonna look incredible. It's already looking so good. All right, we are down to the final pieces, the ridge cap. Oh, this is gonna look good. Let's put them on. All right, well, I'm really hot and sweaty now, but wow, the roof looks amazing. This is such a big moment. We still have the trim pieces, so we're gonna continue on with that. But I mean, wow, that just looks so incredible. It ended up being a pretty hot day, but me and Chuck just pushed through. Chuck was just, he was so helpful. But yeah, thank you so much, Chuck, for coming out and helping. It looks... Yeah, so the microphone cut out. But I want to give a big thank you to everyone that has liked the videos and subscribed. Also, thank you so much to everyone that backs us over on Patreon, and I will see you guys next time.